A cold usually goes away without treatment or a trip to the doctor. These 9 home remedies will cure cold at home. 1. Honey, lime juice and warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and for the circulation system. Adding honey to lukewarm water is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. 3. Ginger and salt. Cut ginger into small pieces and add salt to it. Chew these ginger pieces to fight cold, cough and a sore throat. 4. Carrot juice. This uncommon home remedy is great to fight common cold and cough. It may sound strange but this interesting drink helps in relieving common cold and cough. 5. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. 6. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. In half spoon of honey, add a few drop of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. 7. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. 8. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger, and black pepper. While preparing your tea, and this spiced tea is great for your health. These 3 ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. 9. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. If cold symptoms last longer than 10 days or if they continue to worsen, you may have a secondary issue. In these cases, you should call your doctor. So, take care of your health. Please like and subscribe for more interesting health and beauty tips. Thank you.